Sail on the bay. Hello, my name is Ray. I like to sail. I sail on the bay.
Okay.
I like to sail on the bay on a hot day. I sail on the bay on a hot day in May. I don't like to sail on the bay. Hey, in the rain.
Okay.
You do want
لا
do you want to sail with me?
لا again.
Do you want to sail with me?
Excellent. Very good. Okay. Read.
B.
Okay. How many letters?
3.
Okay. How many sounds?
2.
2. The first one is.
B.
The second one is.
E.
Very good. Read.
Feet.
How many letters?
4.
How many sounds?
3.
The first one is. The second one.
E.
The last one.
T.
Good. Read.
Seed.
How many letters?
4.
How many sounds?
3.
The first one.
S.
The second one.
E.
The third one.
D.
Very good. Read.
Jeep.
J-
J.
Jeep. Jeep.
Jeep.
How many letters?
4.
The first. How many sounds?
3.
The first sound is.
J.
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 The second one is.
E.
The last one is.
P.
Thank you.